Hello everyone, this is author DS Spice. And welcome back to the Manifestation channel using the law of attraction. Today I'm going to explain the technique, and it's most popularly known as the banyan tree technique. It's a powerful way. I've actually I practiced them. What has happened is I was so inspired with this banyan tree technique that I've written a book about it, and it's currently in the production stage. This channel is not about my books. So let's get into the reality of this banyan tree technique. I just call it as a banyan tree because it's a popular tree. Like, it has got all the medicinal properties, and when people call it the divine tree or whatever you call it, so it's something. You can take any tree that you like. Okay, so let's do this right away now. So the step one in this is you imagine yourself. You go to your room as usual. You go to a quiet place. Manifestation, like, you require some quiet place where there's calmness around you, and even if you spot a tree around you, that's also good. To make it more real. So if you spot a tree around you, that's the best. Okay, so you do this. Go to a quiet place, or go to the tree, wherever, whatever tree that you see around, and just go and sit in that place. Okay, and then, or if you are in your room and you can't find a tree, then you can be in your room, quietness of your room. Imagine a huge banyan tree, a huge tree with lots of leaves in them, lots of green leaves. Like, it's like full of life. Okay, so just imagine a tree full of life, full of green leaves, a lot of greenery everywhere, and you are sitting in the midst of that tree. Okay, step one, imagine sitting around that tree, sitting in the midst of the tree, and enjoying the beauty of the nature. Okay, step two, okay, imagine some kind of breeze that's flowing in your direction, and it just makes all these leaves come falling on you. Okay, it's like these tiny leaves. Some falls on your head, some falls on your nose, and it just trickles over you. Imagine that way. Okay, so step two, imagine the banyan tree leaves falling on you. Okay, one or two leaves, or maybe all possible leaves. Like, if you like the leaves, all the leaves are falling on you. Okay, so that's step two. Step three, imagine yourself in a place, like, all the leaves are falling and they are waiting for your instructions. You are at the center, and all the leaves are around you at the center waiting for you. Okay, step three, all these leaves are waiting for you for some kind of instructions from you. Okay, you are the creator, you are in full control. You can tell the leaves to do this, the leaves will do it. See, all these things you've got to imagine. Okay, step three, you are in full control of whatever is happening around you. All the leaves are sitting there, like how you are a teacher, and there are your students, they are just listening to you for your instructions. Then step four, it's a bit lengthy. Step four, one of the leaves comes to you, says, "May I come in?" But it does very politely. You can't say no. You can't say no. So what would be your response? You say, "Yes, you can come in." So like that, all the leaves one by one come in. So now here is the manifestation step. Listen to this carefully. So when the leaves are coming towards you and asking, imagine that the manifestation is approaching you. Now, your manifestation could be anything. It could be gold, it could be wealth, it could be goodness, health, prosperity, or the relationship that you want to build up, or anything. It could be anything. That thing itself is approaching you and asking, can I enter you? Can I come into your house? What would your answer be? It would definitely be an S, isn't it? So each of the leaves crawls towards you, and sheepishly they ask you, may I come in? May I come into your house? And then you are in control of this situation, isn't it? You are the creator. You are the one who is manifesting everything. And you say, yes, please come in. So like that, all these leaves are slowly entering your house. Some fall from the rooftops, some come through the windows, and some still wait for you like a good student. Some good students just like to follow the teacher. So you go, you open the door of your house, and you let all the leaves come in. So what you have done right now is magical. It's powerful. You have pulled all the manifestation towards you, whatever you want to manifest. Okay, it could be like, suppose you're manifesting good health, right? So you have told, yes, enter me. That means that whatever good health has entered you. Or if you have manifest prosperity, the prosperity has entered your home. You got to believe in this manifestation. Okay, so this is the story of the banyan tree. And this is not a story. You got to make this real, and you got to follow these steps in a very excited way. In a very excited way, you do these steps one by one, and then allow the manifestation to flow from all sides. I mean, the manifestation can come from anywhere, isn't it? So you got to trust in the process of the law of attraction for all the manifestation to come to you from right, left, top, anywhere. Okay, so yeah, frequency of this technique, you can do it as many times as long as you don't get bored or bugged by this technique. You can do it as many times as you want. Actually, it actually gives you a thrill, some kind of excitement when you are in control of this situation. You are allowing the manifestation to slowly crawl into your life. You are letting go. You are the creator. Okay, so happy manifestation. Work on it. And thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you for subscribing. Let's meet again. For now, goodbye, and thank you very much.